Yo, what's going on, everyone, in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today as usual. Make sure before we do anything else, smash that like button down below. Helps out the channel immensely. Alright, guys. Breaking. Brand new. Top crypto. Saudi Shiba Inu up almost 300% on the day. Already been rug pulled, but still somehow up 300%. Alright, guys. Bitcoin in a little bit of a... It's looking good. It's looking good, but I'm seeing some pretty reputable Bitcoin traders on Twitter that are currently shorting it at this moment. But I am seeing a very nice play out that's happening here with Bitcoin after the clear bottom formation with long wicks to the downside. I am predicting Bitcoin to be hitting 30K a coin very, very soon. It's priming itself up. You got major gaps all up in here, billions of dollars of liquidity waiting there to be grabbed by the big boys. I'm sure the cryptocurrency market is going to start heading back up. Now, let's get into the headlines for today, guys. Got a ton of tweets to show you guys. So yesterday on the XRP Daily, I posted this article about the India Central Bank deploying blockchain technology with confirmed Ripple partners. We pretty much go through everything, the official statements, the confirmed partners that are Ripple enabled, the official Reserve Bank of India press release saying the product poses a blockchain-based cross-border payment system, leveraging the current infrastructure and ensuring frictionless and tamper-proof monitoring capabilities. Another thing is that the Reserve Bank of India is saying that the banking services, financial services offered on the open platform, which is the other kind of company, I guess, that's being backed by the Reserve Bank of India, are powered by our partner banks and financial institutions, and 3 of those partner banks are confirmed Ripple Net users. So that's why we posted this article yesterday with just very solid speculation of that Reserve Bank of India essentially going live with XRP in a way. I have kind of an update on that from Wrath Economy here. An interesting note: in October, Open, a cross-border DLT candidate in the India's Reserve Bank of India sandbox, received investments from Temasek Singapore, Google, and SBI Japan. Google and SBI are early Ripple investors, and they have also invested into this open platform that the freaking Central Bank of India is backing right now. Okay, absolutely beautiful, and we do got to give credit to @Matthew Liny for the credit for this information. Make sure, guys, the XRP Daily, make sure just check out this site every couple of days or something. I got it up and running now. Kind of a not like the OG XRP Daily, but it's running pretty good now. I got like 5 articles or something. I'm planning to do like 4 or 5 articles per day on this website, so make sure just check it out on the daily. And by the way, if you are interested in writing for the website, do DM me on Twitter. Check this out, guys. U.S. Treasury OFAC classified these digital currencies XRP. What is the structure of a digital currency address on the OFAC's SDN list? Digital currency addresses listed on the SDN list include their unique alphanumeric identifier up to 256 characters and identify the digital currency which the address corresponds, and giving a bunch of examples, one of them being Ripple XRP. Each digital currency address listed in the SDN list will have its own field. The structure will always begin with digital currency address followed by a dash and digital currency symbol. It seems just like a very, very general explanation of explaining just digital currency addresses. This is from June 6, 2018. It is pretty, ancient in terms of information, but nonetheless, it is the U.S. Department of Treasury putting XRP right in there. The petro, I don't know why they're putting that in there, because the petrodollar, I don't even think ever came to fruition. But nonetheless, on the U.S. Department of Treasury official website, XRP is mentioned. Next one, guys. Ripple just put out this tweet about like 24 hours ago. Ripple's senior advisor, Anthony Welfare, and Persist Technology CEO Farron Pratt spoke with a reporter based in Colombia about the significance of bringing Colombia's national land registry on-chain. Learn more from Decrypt Media. Guys, I gotta say, this is probably the most fascinating thing to me, is the fact that for the first time in history on any blockchain, we have a country issuing land on the blockchain. Like Ashish Birla from Ripple has stated a few months ago, that they are going after much bigger things than just replacing Swift. They are not just going to replace Swift. That is one piece of the pie, but there are endless use cases for the XRP ledger. Next one, guys, investor.com. Today we're announcing the listing of XRP on the X Investor Exchange. All users can now trade the asset on our platform. Happy trading. Honestly, never heard of this platform before. They're rocking, I think, 42K followers. That's the first time I've heard of them, but doing better than Coinbase. Next one today, guys. Yeah, dude, pretty big deal today. There is an ongoing attack targeting the Solana ecosystem right now. Over 7,000 wallets have been affected as of 15 hours ago and is increasing at 20 accounts per minute because it's very early and the attack is ongoing. There's a lot of misinformation and speculation, so there are a few thoughts and clarifications. Just for my morbid curiosity, I got to see if Solana price is going down. I don't know. Dropping 0.18% is not exactly, what I would think from a hack going on. First of all, our hearts go out to the Solana community. Attacks like this affect not just the directly targeted system, but everyone in the space indirectly by eroding people's confidence in the space. Here's hoping for a quick clarification and recovery if possible. Because the transactions are signed properly, it's likely that the attacker has acquired access to private keys, but how? One possible route is a supply chain attack where a JS library is hacked and it exfiltrates users' private keys. Affected wallets seem to have been created in the last 9 months, but there are reports of freshly created wallets also being affected. IOTA was compromised by such an attack and never quite recovered. If the same key is in two different hands, it's very difficult to figure out who the legitimate owner is. Stopping the chain wouldn't help. The attack would resume when the chain resumes. A lot of people have suggested about a faulty random number generator. This seems really anachronistic. 10 years ago maybe, but we now know what not to do during private key generation. So I would be shocked if the hacker was cracking the keys because of a lack of entropy. I know there was people doing something similar to this with Ethereum, is that they were like literally just guessing private keys. I don't know how the hell you do that, but I guess if you would spend enough time, there were like very, very simple private keys existing on Ethereum. I do remember that, but I wonder if the same thing is going on here. Another suggestion was a browser exploit / 0 day. This also seems highly unlikely, partly because there are reports from multiple systems and browsers, and partly because it would affect all internet systems, not just Solana. So not sure exactly what's going on here, guys, but Solana seems to be getting screwed over pretty hard at the moment, rising at, 20 accounts per minute. So that's the thing, man. It's like if you're going to come out, build a brand new blockchain, and all of a sudden be worth billions of dollars, you got to make sure your ducks are in a row. Do all the bug bounties you can. Make sure you have a properly decentralized system that doesn't have an arm of weakness hanging around where people can exploit it, such as Terra Luna or what was the one that just happened yesterday, the Moonbeam, the 190 million hack. That's why, again, I just championed Ripple's XRP. I mean, not saying it is Ripple's, but you know what I'm talking about. XRP, right? Been around for 10, 11 years. Central banks all around the world backing up the team. Google is invested in Ripple, by the way. So it's just why I don't diversify, man. I just don't diversify. Will I buy some other coins that have been around for a long time? Sure. But guys, I'm always championing the idea on this channel that if there's some new coin that just all of a sudden becomes a top 10 coin out of nowhere, I don't trust them, dude. Terra Luna, BitConnect. What, they just popped up into the top 10 out of nowhere and pretended like they're just normal and they're worth billions of dollars overnight. I do not trust brand new coins in the top 10. I never trust them. All right. Check this out. Large movements of Ripple XRP between exchanges and unknown wallets have been recently recorded. Over the last 24 hours, a total of 224 million XRP coins have flowed between cryptocurrency exchanges and unknown wallets and vice versa. As we know, ODL is heating up very, very immensely. Ripple acquiring $1.17 billion worth of XRP in Q2 2022 and sold $400 million worth of XRP to ODL customers in Q2 2022 alone. So we'll not doubt that these big exchange whale transactions might have a little something to do with that. For the entire Ripple case, I've wondered how the SEC distinguishes XRP from Ethereum if it truly believes that XRP is a security but Ethereum isn't. Reviewing the transcript of the hearing way back on March 19, 2021, I found a comment from attorney Tenrero that gives a clue, and it relates to the reasonable efforts of others prong of Howey. In the attached extract from the transcript, there's a reference by Tenrero to Howey efforts in the content of preceding passages from the transcript. This refers to efforts Ripple, Brad, Chris to create utility and adoption for XRP. These, it seems, are for the SEC. However, efforts which cause XRP holders to have an expectation of profits, even if they know nothing about Ripple and the efforts, the link between the efforts and the expectation is where Mr. Duty comes in. In this context, Tenrero submitted that the XRP is different from Bitcoin and Ethereum because there's no central actor for Bitcoin and Ethereum who satisfies all three. There are, in fact, 4 characteristics he identifies. Yeah, that's the thing, though, dude. It's like, what, XRP is different from Bitcoin and Ethereum because there's no central actor for Bitcoin and Ethereum? I mean, can you really say that, though? Can you really say that with the centralization of hash power? I mean, look at how easily Ethereum Classic got 51% attacked a few years ago, dude. It's and like the only reason they're saying that there's a central actor for XRP is because like oh, there's a company Ripple and Ripple made XRP. Well, no, XRP was made by early Bitcoin developers long before Ripple the company was established. So that's the only reason they like to say like, oh, it's centralized. Oh, yeah, there's a main actor. It's Ripple. No, it's not. Ripple's a big participant, but they're not the only one. They don't control the XRP ledger. All right. Next one, guys, a little bit just of a global kind of scenario update. Now, Taiwan's armed forces to China. We are not eager for a fight, nor will we shy away from one. Guys, I honestly pray that a war does not break out. Honestly, I just want the world to stay peaceful and not have more of a shit show of the globe go down already than like as it has been like the last 3 years, all this crazy economic stuff. But honestly, guys, seriously, praying, do not want a war to break out here. I know Pelosi did actually land in Taiwan, which I know pissed off China, but honestly hope nothing breaks out here. And last one, guys, we got a completely biased poll against XRP. This is Cointelegraph, who's pretty much kind of like another CoinDesk in a way, but they put out a poll today. What's your preference for cross-border payments? Bitcoin, stablecoins, traditional banking, other. Quite hilarious. Cross-border payments, no Ripple, no XRPs mentioned. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning the video today. I really appreciate it. Make sure you smash the like, subscribe, check the links in the description, support the channel, and do hit that post notification for daily videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.